Hello and welcome to DevWave Diaries. If you're ready to take your web design skills to the next level, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be covering the next part of my award-winning animated website tutorial. If you haven't watched the first video yet, check the description or click the link at the top. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create this amazing animated website yourself. So, let's dive right in. Here's the complete code from part 1 of the video. In that tutorial, I showed you how to create this amazing background video changing animation. Now, in this video, I'll update the previous code and integrate g-sap to bring the website animation to life. First, add an ID to the image tag inside the logo div and set it as logo. After that, update the src attribute of the image tag to use the black version of the logo. The black logo is the same as the white one, we're just switching the color from white to black. Here is the black logo that I added. It's the same as before, just with a black color. After that, we need to add some navigation links to our navbar. First, remove the About text inside the navigation div. Then, create an anchor tag and write Home inside it. Now, copy and paste this tag 2 more times and change the text to About and Contact. Now, we need to update the main div. First, inside the box div, create an h1 tag and paste the previous text that the box div had inside it. Follow the same process for the other 2 tags as well. Now, we have completed all the necessary updates in our HTML file. If you open the browser, you'll notice that the website looks messy. The texts overlap, and the navigation doesn't look right. But don't worry, we're going to fix everything step by step. Before moving on to the CSS part, we need to add the GSAP CDN to our website. Visit the CDN.js website to get the GSAP CDN. I'll share the link to this website in the description of this video. From there, copy the first script tag and paste it inside your HTML file, but place it before the normal script tag. Next, let's move to the CSS file to fix our website styles. First, remove the color white style inside the HTML and body selector. This will remove the white text color styling. After that, inside the page 1 div styles, add color black. This will change all the text to black. Now, let's fix the navigation styles. First, find the navigation div style. Then, change the font size to 1.2 rem. After that, add display flex to set a flexbox layout, and set gap to 2 rem to create spacing between elements. Finally, remove the font weight 600 line. This will reduce the text width. Open the browser, and you'll see that the navigation links are now properly spaced and separated. Next, let's style the anchor tags inside the navigation div. First, set text decoration to none to remove the default underline from the links. Then, change the color to black to match the rest of the design and ensure better visibility. Open the browser, and you'll see that the navigation links are now styled properly. The underlines are removed, and the text color is set to black, making them look clean and well integrated with the design. Now, let's fix the overlapping text styles to make the layout look clean and well structured. First, copy the 3 lines of styles from the box div. Then, select all the h1 tags inside the box div using .main.boxh1. Inside this selector, paste the previously copied styles. After that, update the styles by setting the font size to 8.8 rem, the line height to 7 rem, and the padding left to 6 rem. This will adjust the text size and spacing. Next, add font weight 500 to make the text slightly bold and position relative to allow better control over its placement within the layout. Open the browser, and you'll see that all the h1 texts are now sized properly and look clean, with improved spacing and alignment. This completes all the necessary CSS styling. Now, let's move on to the JavaScript portion. First, create a variable named TL and assign g-sap to it. After typing g-sap, you might notice that VS Code automatically changes the text. If this happens, simply press Ctrl+Z to undo the change. Once that is fixed, add .timeline. Next, create another variable named logo and assign it the value document.querySelector, then inside it write #logo. This will select the element with the ID logo, allowing us to apply animations or modifications to it using JavaScript. After that, create a function named animation and call it immediately after defining it. This function will contain all the g-sap animation code. By structuring it this way, we ensure that the animations run as soon as the script executes. Now, inside the animation function, write tl.to. Then, inside the parentheses, start with double quotation marks and write .main.box, nav. This will select both the box div and the nav tag from our HTML. Then inside it write background, white. This will set the background color of both the box div and the nav bar to white, making them blend smoothly with the overall design. Open the browser, and you'll see that the background color of the web page has changed to white, affecting both the box div and the nav bar as expected. Next, create a .from function and inside it, start with double quotation marks and write .main.box h1. This will select all the h1 tags inside the box div, then add top, 100% and duration, 1. This will animate the h1 tags by moving them from 100% down to their original position over 1 second, creating a smooth sliding effect. Now, open the browser, and you'll see that the h1 text smoothly move upward after the website loads, creating an amazing animation effect. Next, create another from function. Inside the parentheses, write nav.logo, nav.navigation to select both the logo and the navigation inside the nav bar. Then, inside it, set opacity 0. This will make these elements initially invisible, allowing us to animate their appearance smoothly. Open the browser, and you'll notice that initially, the logo and navigation are invisible, and then they fade in. However, there's a delay. First, the h1 text animates, and only after that, the logo and navigation appear. But we want both animations to start at the same time. To achieve this, we need to add a g-sap parameter inside the functions, which will control the animation timing and make them run together. Here, B is the g-sap parameter that helps both animation sequences run together. By adding B inside the .from function, we ensure that the h1 text animation and the logo/navigation fade-in effect start simultaneously. You can use this type of parameter with any number of g-sap functions to synchronize multiple animations seamlessly. Now, after the navigation and text animations, we need to remove the white background from the box div and nav bar. To do this, create another .to function. Inside it, select both the box div and nav tag. Then, set delay 2 to ensure this effect happens after the previous animations, and change background, transparent, to smoothly remove the white background, making the elements blend with the page. Open the browser, and you will notice a smooth transition effect. First, the h1 tag animation takes place, followed by the navbar animation. As these animations complete, the pseudo-elements gradually fill the text box divs, creating a visually appealing effect. At this moment, the background color of both the main div and the nav bar transitions from white to transparent, ensuring a seamless and polished appearance. Now, the next step is to change all the text color to white before the pseudo-elements become invisible again. To achieve this, create another to function. Inside it, select the page 1 div and the anchor tags inside the navigation div. Then, set color, white, to ensure that the text color changes to white at the right moment, maintaining a smooth and visually appealing transition. Open the browser, and you will see that at the end of all animations, the text color changes to white, creating a smooth and visually stunning transition effect. This ensures that the design remains clean and professional while enhancing the overall animation experience. Now, there's just one last thing left, the logo. Since the logo is an image, we need to update its src attribute to ensure it matches the overall animation and color scheme. To change the image src, we need to use g-sap's add function. Create an add function, and inside it, write logo.src. Then, assign the new image's location within double quotation marks. This will dynamically update the logo image, ensuring a seamless transition that matches the overall animation effect. Open the browser, and you will see that the logo successfully changes to the white version, but it happens after all the text color turns white. However, we want both changes to happen simultaneously for a smoother transition. To achieve this, we need to use a g-sap parameter, which allows us to synchronize animations. By adding the same parameter to both animations, the text color change and the logo update will occur at the same time. Now, both the text color change and the logo update happen simultaneously, creating a seamless transition effect. This synchronization enhances the overall animation flow, making the website look polished, professional, and visually stunning. The final result is an amazing interactive experience that elevates the website's aesthetics. But here an issue occurs because the background video changes during the website landing animation, causing the initial video to start from the wrong scene. Right now, instead of starting with the grass video, it immediately switches to the rock video. To fix this, we simply need to update the current index starting value to 1. This ensures that when the website loads, the grass video remains the first visible background without being overridden during the animation. So, this marks the final part of our award-winning website. We have successfully implemented the landing page animation and seamlessly integrated the changing background video using CSS animations. Now, the website not only looks visually stunning but also delivers a smooth and engaging user experience. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest content. Your support helps us create more exciting and valuable videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode of DevWave Diaries.